Hello, we are meal prepping and I'm really excited to share this with you. I am going to be cooking chicken tenders, ground turkey, and then skirt steak. And we are using the oven and we are using the air fryer. And we want to optimize our energy always, right? So it's really important to eat animals because they have essential amino acids, and we need amino acids to keep all of the body parts separate that should be separate. So like if you look up leaky gut or you look up problems that happen within the internal system, it's because the body parts are like leaking, and in severe cases, this inflammation changes a blood-brain barrier where stuff goes into your brain that is not supposed to access your brain. Your blood cycles debris, gets shit out of you, all that stuff. You don't want to break down the blood-brain barrier. And so eating animal products is really good to help prevent that because of amino acids. And also, if you supplement with Bragg's amino acids, this has 16 amino acids in it. Our topsoils are really deteriorated from the special things that we need because of our pesticides. And so it's important to eat the animals, and it's also important to supplement. Number two, what I want to share with you today, and I'm going really fast because we boss babes and we got shit to do. I am going to be using sweet potatoes / yams. I think they're yams. I don't know. It doesn't even matter. They're orange. When we eat orange things, that's going to help our female organs. And I'm about 10 days out from my period, and this is when I get a lot of the cravings leading up to it. So I'm going to show you how you're going to optimize your time, get stuff going with your longer to cook vegetable or carb source while you're also taking care of the meat. And then we will probably have time for me to show you how I get some of my squash cooked up. You ready? Go.